Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching this video. If you new my channel, so please subscribe my channel and of course like this video. So how to install Java JDK in your computer? So first time I need to download Java JDK. So we search Google Java JDK download, and when search you can see this is the Oracle website, and then click this website and you can see this is the option Linux, Mac and Windows. So my device is Windows, so that's why I click Windows and x64. So you can see with your computer requirement, so click here and download. Actually I download some minute ago because of my internet is very slow. So first you can see this is the downloaded option, and we need to check our Java JDK installed or not installed. So check option Java underscore VRSI1. So you can show Java is not recognized as the internal or external command. So and double click Java, open. You can see this is the option, and next install the C program file and click. So actually it's installing my device. So if this is a software, so we need to uh, install our C drive. Okay, already install it and need to path setup. So first we go to our file manager option and check our C drive, user, C drive, program files, and then Java JDK. You can see and copy this path and type environment variable. So you can see this is the option in your environment variable, and I need to first new option. You can see, I think you understand, and Java underscore home and paste this path Java JDK 20 or 21 if your version, and okay. So it's completed, and click path option, and you can see this is the path option default your computer. So go to our Java JDK and bin folder. So copy this bin folder. You can see the path and new option pasted here. So it's completed, and then again new option and go to our local drive and back. So you can see the common file option and Oracle Java path. So copy this path. When install your Java JDK, automatically this folder is installed at your device. Okay, so just you can see, and this type option you copy this path, and again we new option and then see the Oracle Java path. So okay, so we need to test. Okay, sometimes ago Java is not recognized, and right now we test our Java JDK version. So Java version, so you can see the Java 20. So already install it. Okay, so thanks for watching this full video. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you.